Hi, I'm Neema from Neema's Kitchen. Today, for the first time in Tips and Tricks, I'm going to reveal a recipe of a secret energy and memory booster drink which I'm using and giving to my daughter for past so many years. Now, you may be wondering how I got this recipe. Good question. Years ago, when I was sailing with my daughter and my husband, who was captain on the ship, the chief engineer, who was from the state of Bengal in India, was having his family on board. His wife was the one who taught me this secret recipe, which she learned from her grandma. So, I would recommend this drink to anyone, especially kids, and I'm sure you guys will love it. So come, let's get started. By the way, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please click the subscription button below and the bell icon. It's from your subscription and thumbs up I get the energy to do videos like this. Now, let's have a look at the ingredients for this secret recipe. Cardamom pods 10, black pepper 10, nutmeg powder 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 2 teaspoon, saffron 3/4 part of a teaspoon, pumpkin seeds 1/4 cup, poppy seeds 1/4 cup, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, sugar 1 cup, walnuts 1/2 cup, almonds 1/2 cup, pistachios 1/2 cup, unsalted roasted cashews 1/2 cup, unsalted roasted peanuts 1/2 cup. First step is to heat a pan, and on a low flame, let's roast each ingredients for 2 minutes to make our booster powder. I'm adding pistachios. As said, roast it for 2 minutes. Now transfer it to a bowl along with our roasted cashews and roasted peanuts, just to cool off. Next, add in almonds, roast it also for 2 minutes. Almonds are roasted well. Now transfer it to another bowl. Further, walnuts are roasted. Walnuts are also roasted very well. Now to cool it, let's transfer it to another bowl. Let's now roast our pumpkin seeds. I'm just roasting it lightly. And we shall remove it from fire as soon as it inflates, or else it will burn and ruin the flavor. And pumpkin seeds are optional. I am transferring this to another bowl to cool off. Now it's time to roast our poppy seeds. Whenever you buy poppy seeds, ensure to wash and dry it before using. Poppy seeds are roasted well. Let's move it to another bowl. Now watch carefully how I am going to roast saffron. Take saffron in a paper napkin and wrap it like this. Now roast it just for a minute. By doing so, it will be roasted well and at the same time it will give good color. Now I am just opening it. See how it looks. Finally, roast the rest of the ingredients: fennel seeds, cardamom pods, black pepper, a nutmeg powder, except sugar and turmeric. Roast it very well. It smells so good. Spices are roasted well. I am transferring it to another bowl, same way to cool off. Now using a blender like this, let's first grind sugar, turmeric powder and the spice mixture together to make a fine powder. Let's add sugar, turmeric powder and a spice mixture. Now let's blend it. See how it looks. Now let's transfer it to a bowl. It smells so good. Next is to grind the poppy seeds with saffron and pumpkin seeds along with 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar and spice mixture. Now let's grind it. See how it looks. Let's now transfer it to a bowl. Further add almonds with 2 tablespoons of sugar and the spice mixture and blend it. Our mixture has been ground well. Now let's transfer it to a bowl. Now you might be wondering why I am grinding most of the ingredients separately. It's because the grinding consistency is different for each item. Let's do the same with walnuts. A 2 tablespoons of sugar and spice mixture. Now let's grind it. See how it looks. Let's transfer. Finally, let's grind our rest of the ingredients: pistachios, peanuts and cashews. For this I am taking a bigger blender. Now I am going to add in 2 tablespoons of our sugar and spice mixture and let's blend it. It has been blended well. Now let's transfer. Now to get a good mix, let's grind all the ground mixture together in a big jar. When it's done, bring it to room temperature and store it in an airtight container for daily use. Now let's add the sugar spice mixture into the jar and blend it together. Now let's see how to mix it. Take 2 tablespoons of this booster powder in a glass. And mix it slowly with warm milk. have this drink either before going to bed or morning. Now let me try it. Wow, it's so tasty. You may store this powder in an airtight container, even in a refrigerator, for daily use. Hope you will try it out. If you have any doubt, then please use the comment section below. I shall try to answer it. See you in my next video with another tips and tricks.